Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Gonna be putting stakes on this flat car and put some logs in there as a load using used wooden matches. So here we go. Cut them to about 6 to 7 scale feet. Seemed like a good height for them. Here's a marker here to darken the wood a bit. Makes them look like they were treated some with creosote or something. And trim down one end so it could fit in the holes in the flat car. You can see in the corner upper left there, just enough for a snug tight fit. Then some super glue. A little dab will do ya. Just enough to keep it steady in the hole there. Put it there and hold it tight for a minute. It stays put rather well. So, finished up all the stakes. Looks pretty damn good. Let's get work on that load. It's just some twigs I found in the backyard. Cut them to size about 5.5 inches. Looks pretty damn good. Let's see how it looks on the layout. Turned out pretty good, if I say so myself. I wanted to do this for a while, and now I have. But that's all for me for now. See ya!